This video is meant for Mrs. Rose's AB Calculus class, and our topic today is definite integrals for even and odd functions. Okay, so we reviewed even and odd functions today in class, where an even function is reflected over the y-axis. So since it's a mirror image, any area from the left side of the y-axis is going to be reflected on the right side. So A1 is going to be equal to the area of A4, and A2 is going to be equal to the area of A3. Odd functions have a kind of reciprocal look. They are reflected over the line y equals x or rotated around the origin. So when you have an area to the left of the origin, you're going to have the reciprocal area to the right of the origin. So A1 is going to equal the negative area of A2. So let's do two examples. They're the second two from our worksheet in class. Now D we're not able to do yet. We'll look at those after we learn about antiderivative definite integrals. But to start off with, we know that f of x is an even function, and we also know that the area from -2 to 0 is -3. So that means that the area from 0 to 2 is also going to be -3. And then we're told that the area from 2 to 6 is 9. Which means that the area from -6 to -2 is also 9. So we can easily answer the first question from 0 to 2. The answer, that area, is -3. For part B, we have to remember to multiply by that scalar 5. So we're going to have 5 times -3 plus -3 plus 9, which of course is just 3, so we get 5 times 3, which is 15. And then that last area from -6 to -2, we get an area equal to 9. For our last example, we have f of x as an odd function. Okay, so again, we can't do D just yet. And we know that the area from 0 to 3 is 5. Which means that from -3 to 0, that area is going to be the reciprocal, so we're going to have -5. Now, this one is tricky because the limits of integration, the 8 and -3, are backwards from what they should be. So if we rewrite them to how they should be with the smaller number on the bottom, that means that we need to change the sign of the area. So the area from -2 to 8 should be +2. So we're going to put an 8 here, and this -5 cancels out with that +5, so that means the area from 3 to 8 is +2, which means that the area from -8 to -3 is -2. Now it's very easy to solve the three problems we have. -3 to 0 is -5. Part B, we have 2 times 2, which is 4. And for part C, we have -2 plus -5 equaling -7. If you have any questions, please come see me during Calc morning or ask during class.